Today is the 13th of January. These are my trading notes, and that is 2026. And this is still pre-market. We have about 10 minutes to go, maybe 11 minutes, something like that, for the East Coast time market open. It looks like it's in a bullish mode. I've already taken some money out today, but that's the 2-minute chart. Let's look at a little higher time frame. 5 minutes looking bullish, 15-minute looking bullish. And I'm looking down here. This is the MACD, RSI, CCI, and this is the DMI. So everything is looking like it wants to go up. Uh, this was the CPI news right here. I make this video for my trading notes because I will go back and check it out. But I don't really right now want to do live trading with it because I get too focused on starting and stopping. I only have 15 minutes on this video. So I will pause it right now, and after I get in a trade, I'll come back and explain it. All right, so I just took a profit. Here's went long, but I'll show you what I was looking at. And these, like I said, folks, this is for me to go back and look instead of taking notes. I just make a video. So here's everything was bullish on the 15-minute chart. Look at it, it's dropping already. It may go on down for the day. But this is what I was looking at. 5-minute, same thing, was looking bullish. Now here's what I did not like was this is the E-mini S&P, and it was not going up with this. So like now it's leading the way down. This could very well drop. This is the NQ. That is what I traded. But what I was looking at on the entry was this point right here. I bought above this high, and if you notice, because I said before everything was going up, I just wrote it. I think about a couple, 3, 4 contracts, and started fading them. And I got out on one right up in here at 42, I think it was. And the only reason I put my order in over here, and I think it was 41, I guess. No, I got in below 42. I know that. I mean, I got out. So here's what I don't like is this little spaghetti here from this is the DMI, and I like for it to be like far apart from each other to show that it's actually in a trend. And the way when I just call it spaghetti. It's real close. It's kind of, for me, it's untradeable. But anyway, I just consider I got lucky, really. I just bought above this high right here on a stop. It got me in. I took out one at 20, no, it was 22. I guess I got out on one at my first one, and then the other here. But oh, and then I had some overnight trades too. I'm sorry, forgot about those. Um, that was last night when I got in those. I'll have to go back and revisit that and explain what I did last night. So I'll pause it right now and just see if something else comes up. Yeah, so here was my trade in the overnight. This is the 15-minute chart. Everything was looking bearish. This was the opening candle right here, 1800 on last night on Monday night, and it popped down, and then when it pulled back up, and as I said, this is a 15-minute, but everything was looking bearish, as you can see down here. The red above the green, the yellow below. That blue line is the 50% on the CCI. The dotted white line is the 50% on the RSI, and the MACD was definitely bearish. So I wrote it down into I think I got out in the 80s, but I got out in the 80s, and I got in short at the at 20, if I remember right. So I only had like 2 contracts. I sold 3, got out of one pretty quick down around 16 just to get some money on the board, and then rode the other 2 down. These are micros. Yeah, so don't look at this as being. I just use the full-on mini chart. That these are definitely micros. What I'm trading. See, it looks like it wants to go back up again. And this is not playing ball. This is the mini. I like it. The ES. I like it when they both are in conjunction, correlation. So I'm probably going to stay out of it right now. because I would really like to see these going in the same direction. They're not. So let me pause it and I'll see what happens here. Okay, I'm done trading for the day. Everything, these two finally matched up, the NQ and the ES, and it is going south for a little while, it looks like. Yeah, it keeps making new lows. Um, it was just, now here was a good trade. I did not take it, but here's one I would normally take. But I was already up for the day. I'm done. But everything, all these moving averages are pointing down. It's got good confluence right there. I would normally put a sell stop below this low right here out of these three candles, and then put a buy stop above those. But it's like 20 points, and I would definitely have only traded like one micro to start out. And as it started in my favor, that's when I would add a couple, maybe one or two more micros. So, but then I would take a profit down here somewhere. So uh, that is it for me on the trading for today. I hope you had a good trading day, and maybe I'll see you in the next video.